Kakapiling mo natin sa Zoom Zoom Zoom
Papaya!
si Batangas 2nd District Representative at siya pong Chairperson ng House Justice Committee, Congresswoman Jervil Luistro. Congresswoman Jinky, magandang gabi. Tony Enrica. Congresswoman.
Kong Jinky, hello
Sabi-
po, welcome back.
Sabi ng Mission Control, ready siya.
Ready na ba tayo?
Sabi ni K-pop Demon Hunter, ready na daw.
Oo.
So, nakamuit. Hindi, iba pala yung pag-spelling ni K-pop Demon Hunter ng mute. Nakamuit.
Muet?
Ay, Kong Jinky, paki-press
good
yung...
evening.
Ay,
Ayan, hi Kong Jinky, magandang gabi po.
yeah, congratulations!
Parang nasa opisina pa si Kong Jinky.
Hindi pa siya umuwi
Oo,
ng
di pa
Batangas.
umuwi.
Wala.
Dapa.
Nasa Batangas na ako.
Ay, ang bilis.
Naunahan,
bilis. Oh,
naunahan
naunahan
mo
ang
si
lahat.
Rika. Dahil si Rika, Congresswoman, hindi po makapunta ng Batangas this weekend
Oh,
para
magiging-
mag-diving. Oh.
Ganda dyan ko.
Really? Bakit
Yes.
kasama ba sa bagyo ang Batangas?
Magkakaulan-ulan daw po over the weekend dyan, Kong. Kaya,
Sabi-
Really?
oo.
Ano ba, kamusta ho ba ang panahon dyan nung pag-uwi nyo? Maaliwalas pa.
Well, actually medyo gloomy, no?
Gloomy
Kaya
na.
lang, meron kami schedule na renewal of vow ng husband ko this coming Sunday.
Ay,
Congratulations! Ilang taon po yan.
Thank you. Kaya sana huwag
Congratulations.
masyadong maulan para
Ayan.
hindi hassle sa mga bisita.
Oo nga.
Ay, pagdasal natin na magiging maaliwalas ang
Correct.
panahon, bubuka ang langit
Oo.
para sa inyong dalawa.
Tama. Inunahan na nila Kong Jinky yung
Hopefully.
Valentine's.
Yeah,
Para di sumabay sa Valentine's.
Ano?
Diba?
Yeah.
Yung pong gloomy na panahon, Kong Jinky, ito po ay magiging gloomy din po ba? Kapag nagsimula na hubang
Pag-usapan.
sipatin yung impeachment complaint
Sasabi, eto
laban
na
sa
naman.
Vice Presidente. Kailan ho ba nyo maaaring gawin po yun, Kong Jinky?
Well, actually, we're just waiting for the plenary to refer to the Justice Committee the impeachment complaints, no?
Yeah.
Kasi definitely, hindi naman kami pwedeng gumalaw kung walang referral, no?
Yeah.
And based on news report, na-transmit na ni SecGen, papunta kay Speaker.
Yeah.
So si Speaker naman, he has a period of 10 session days
Ayun na.
to include it in the order of business of the plenary, and then from the plenary, 3 session days papunta sa Justice Committee. No, we're just waiting, Tony and
Rika.
no?
Oo.
But as soon as makuha ng Justice Committee yan, ma-receive ng Justice Committee, we are giving our assurance to the Filipino people na we will act right away on the referral para ito ay mapag-aralan na ng mga miyembro ng Justice Committee. And certainly, kung ano yung naging parameters, kung ano yung naging procedure sa impeachment complaints against the President, we will be adopting the same thing pagdating sa ating pag-aaral at deliberation dito naman sa impeachment against the Vice President.
Yung sa punto ng impeachment laban sa Pangulo, hindi naman ho din kinailangan na ang Pangulo mismo ay humarap sa komite para ilahad ang panig niya or depensahan ang panig niya. So wala na rin ho yun sa impeachment complaint laban sa Vice Presidente.
Actually, Tony, the proper way to answer that is by sharing to our countrymen, no? Yung proseso ng Justice Committee. Meron tayong 5 steps. One is determination of form, one is determination of form and substance. Okay? So yun yung ginawa natin dito kay President, no?
Yes.
Nag-determine muna tayong sufficiency in form, pasado. Pagdating sa sufficiency in substance,
Bagsak.
medyo bagsak. Kaya ganun ang naging decision ng members ng Justice Committee, no?
Okay.
Pero on the assumption na pasado dito sa dalawa,
Yes.
we will be proceeding to step 3. And our step 3 is the issuance of notice to the respondent
Ayun.
so that he can file an answer to the complaint.
File
no?
an answer.
From
Okay.
the answer, pwede pang mag-file si complainant ng reply And from the reply, pwede pang sumagot si respondent ng rejoinder.
Sagutan.
No? Dito rin sa step 3, correct. That's why ang tawag namin doon responsive pleadings kasi nagsasagutan talaga sila. Complaint, answer, reply, rejoinder. That's what's happening, no?
Yeah.
Although,
And then,
Kong Jinky,
dito
sorry
rin-
po, documents lang po pag dyan tayo sa replies na yan. Hindi pa po
Sulat-
tayo...
sulat lang,
Oo,
hindi
sulat
harapan.
lang, hindi harapan.
Oo.
You are correct. Dokumento lang ang aandar dun sa step 3. Responsive pleadings and then they can submit their evidence also.
Okay.
Submission pa lang, hindi pa reception, okay? And then kung may affidavit and counter affidavit, they need to subscribe that before the Justice Committee, no? Dito sa step 3, we have to determine kung may sufficient basis ang impeachment complaint. If so,
Yes.
we proceed to step 4.
Yun na.
Doon sa step 4, dito tayo mag-i-issue ng mga notices so that the complainant, the witness, and the respondent will be attending the hearing proper. Yung step 4, hearing proper na yon. Okay? So, makakausap na natin doon yung complainant, yung witnesses, and then we can send an invitation also to the respondent. Pero doon sa question, paano po kapag hindi dumating yung respondent? That is actually his prerogative.
So pwede niyang
no?
i-forfeit that
So,
opportunity.
Yes, pwedeng hindi siya umattend kasi itong kanyang presence naman sa hearing is part of his right to due process, no?
Correct.
So kung hindi siya dadating, ang tawag namin doon, waiver of his right to be
Waiver.
present in the hearing, no? Okay, so pag natapos yung hearing proper natin, proceed tayo sa step 5. What is step 5? The Justice Committee will determine whether or not there is probable cause that support the impeachment complaint, no? So yun, pagbubutuhan namin yun. Majority of all the members of the Justice Committee, no?
Yeah.
Tapos ano man ang maging desisyon namin sa step 5, kailangan namin yan isulat sa committee report. And then the committee report will be transmitted to the plenary subject to the approval of at least 1/3 of all the members of the House.
Okay. Sige.
So that's the entire process.
That's the process. All right. So, thank you so much, Congresswoman, for that. Pero balik muna tayo dun sa inaabangan din po na committee report dun sa impeachment complaints against President Marcos Jr. How long does it take for the committee to actually finalize the report and present it to the plenary?
Well, I anticipate that on Monday, we will be able to vote and approve the committee report within the level of the Justice Committee. No?
Okay, yeah.
From the Justice Committee, transmit namin yan sa plenary. That I do not know as to when they will include it in the order of business. Kung i-include na nila yan on Monday, o i-defend na namin yan sa plenary on that day. Otherwise, kung kailan nila ma-include, dun yan pagdedebatehan.
And who will be the one to decide
The order.
kung ito po nga ba ay maisasali sa order of business? Is it the House Majority Leader? Is it the Speaker himself?
Remember that our majority leader already recused himself in all participations with respect to the impeachment
Ng
process
father
against
niya.
the president, no? So I think it will be the SDML, the senior deputy majority leader, and the rest of the leaders in the Committee on Rules who will be deciding as to when the committee report will be included in the order of business of the plenary, no? I-add natin, Tony, ha? Itong committee report ng Justice Committee is subject to the approval of at least 1/3 of all the members of the House of Representatives.
Of
Paano
all.
kung mabaligtad?
Paano?
Paano kung yung at least 1/3 na yon i-disapprove nila yung aming committee report? If that happens, that 1/3 vote disapproving the committee report will amount to reversal of the decision of the Justice Committee. No?
What will it...
Diba, ang
Opo.
decision ng Justice Committee is
To declare it
the decision
insufficient
of the
in
Justice
substance.
Committee, declaration of insufficiency in substance, which is equivalent to dismissal.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
So, kung ang magiging action ng plenary by at least 1/3 vote is to disapprove that committee report, that is equivalent to the reversal of our dismissal. Okay? So, if there is a reversal of our dismissal under the rules, the consequence is babalik ang committee report sa Justice Committee and the Justice Committee will be constrained to prepare the articles of impeachment.
Ayan na.
Saan daw namin ibabase yung articles of impeachment? Remember,
Yes.
nagkaroon ng reversal ang dismissal, and
Ah.
this means na ang naging standing ng plenary ay sufficient in
Inform.
substance
And
yung
substance.
dalawang impeachment complaints. In that case,
Apa.
babalikan namin yung dalawang impeachment complaint.
Apa.
We will consolidate the offenses. We will consolidate the grounds to be able to come up with the articles of impeachment.
Okay.
But that is in case of reversal only.
Pero
Okay.
ito lang, Kong Jinky, no? Because nabanggit nyo kanina for the process, yung steps involved dun sa impeachment complaint laban sa Vice Presidente, may step 4 and step 5 pa kayo, yung determination of probable cause. At meron pang chance for yung, anong tawag dito, yung response and reply nung complainant and the respondent. Di ho na kailangan dumaan sa mga
Yes.
steps na yon kung ma-reverse yung inyong committee report?
Kung ma-reverse ang ating committee report, short yung process kasi ang consequence under the rule, prepare the articles of impeachment for action of the plenary, at kapag in-approve yan ng plenary, that article of impeachment by at least 1/3 again of all the members of the House, that would warrant the transmittal to the Senate.
So, shortcut yung process. Oo.
Ako naman po may question dun sa
That is correct.
pag-ayos ng articles of impeachment, Kong Jinky, no? If you deemed it insufficient pero binaliktad, babalikan ninyo, no? The complaints na dalawa.
Para i-consolidate.
Oo, dun po ba kayo mamimili? O yun pong cited reasons for impeachment nung dalawang complaint na yon, yun na po ba yung magiging articles of impeachment na gagamitin? Or can you choose which you think is the most probable reason?
Hindi, kasi isa lang naman yung na-consider na anong tawag dito? Sufficient inform eh. So yung mismo na yon, yung unang complaint, hindi na po pwede i-consider yon, Congresswoman? Mukhang nawala ata tayo sa area with Kong,
Oo
kasi
nga.
kanina sinasabi ng Mission Control, gloomy nga yung weather, so nagulumihan.
Nagulumihan.
Nagulumihan yung
Yung
ating signal sa ating guest sa Batangas.
Oo. Kasi di ba partner yun nga, kung babalik nga, ibabalik at pag-uusapan, pagdidesisyon na nila ang articles of impeachment.
Yeah.
Saan na nila yung pagbabasihan ngayon?
Yeah.
Paano kung, syempre, umpisa, parang hindi nga ito pasado sa atin.
Yung insufficient inform, bagsak na
tanggal
agad
nga
yun.
yun. So, babalikan lang nila yung isa.
Yung pangalawa, dahil yun ay naging sufficient inform but insufficient in substance.
Pero dahil nga binaliktad,
Oo.
does it mean na the majority would say that that is sufficient in substance, you should use that as the articles of
So,
impeachment?
alin dun sa dalawa? Pwede rin ba
Oo.
nilang sabihin nung plenaryo na, hindi, kahit yung isa, yung una na insufficient
Oo,
inform,
kasama
sabihin nyo, pwedeng dapat insufficient yun in both form and substance. Pwede kayang ganon. Titingnan natin.
Sige,
Dahil ang
babalikan
ating
pa
pong
natin
mission
si
control
Kong Jinky.
ay nagsusumikap na
Tawagan
makonekta muli ang ating pong Zoom Papaya! Sa Batangas. Ang signal po dun sa Batangas ay nag-diving na rin.
Oo, buti pa siya.
Kasi
Nakapag-diving na.
nag-dive po ang signal so hindi po maiahon.
Alam mo kung ano
Ha?
kailangan nila dyan?
What is?
Signal Booster 8, check out nyo na!
Mga suki!
Eto, kailangan natin.
Ito po aming signal booster. Meron po itong 2 gigabytes na memory.
With educational plan.
At meron po itong mahabang kable para mailusot nyo po sa inyong dingding
With
at
something like
with the
this.
antenna. Grabe. Oh. Alright. So dahil lang sa amin po ng ating Mission Control Specialist Hannah ay naka 2 thumbs up na siya. Parang yung kumbaga, ano ba
Okay
yung
na.
seller's rating nito? Ay 2
Oo.
thumbs up. Naibalik na rin ho natin sa Zoom.
Alright.
Si Congresswoman Jinky Luis Locong.
Hi,
Nawala
Kong.
po tayo sa
Opo.
ere. Congresswoman, nakamute ba
Baka
ulit?
nakamuid sa ipasiya.
Pwede na. 3 thumbs up na dahil si Abominable Jorish ay nakisali na rin.
Marunong pala mag-thumbs up ang mga abominable George.
They have 2 left thumbs.
Meron
Anong tawag
pala.
nun yung... parang yung... well, anyway. Congresswoman, magandang gabi po muli. Tony Enrica.
Yes, I'm back. Sorry
Ayan.
sa signal.
Yes
Opo,
po,
opo.
it's okay po.
Anong tanong ni partner Rica, kapag sakali hubang baligtarin ang plenaryo, no, at sabihin nila na hindi, balik niyo yan sa Justice Committee at nire-reverse namin ang desisyon, will it affect also the first impeachment complaint that was already declared insufficient in form and substance, o dun sa pangalawa lang po na sufficient in form but insufficient in substance?
Actually, ang naging findings namin dyan, Tony, parehas silang sufficient in form. Pero
ganun ba?
parehas silang insufficient in
Ay,
substance.
oo nga.
No?
Tama, oo, tama. oo.
So, I think if ever there will be disapproval, it will focus on our declaration of insufficiency in substance.
For
no?
both.
In which case, we
Oo.
will be constrained to come up with our articles of impeachment on the basis of the two impeachment
Ayun
complaints.
nga.
Yun na.
So kung ano yung rason o dahilan ng dalawa.
Yes.
From those complaints, we should be able to consolidate the offenses,
Oh,
the
my.
grounds, the causes of action until we are able to come up with the articles of impeachment na aaproban din sa plenary.
Kaso nga kung Jinky, wala naman tayong medical basis, kunyari,
Sa
doon sa
drug
pagsasabi na
addiction.
he's a drug addict. Will you be the one to find that medical evidence, to present that to the plenary level? Di po ba? Kung yun nga nakita nyo, hindi siya sufficient eh.
O sa trial
Well,
proper
I think-
na yun.
I think in that case, the consensus of the members of the Justice Committee should be considered as to which offenses and grounds will be included in the articles of impeachment.
so
Kasi
may leeway.
tama ka dun, Rica eh. Pagdating dun sa allegation ng drug addiction, one, wala namang personal knowledge yung complainant. Two, wala din tayong medical records to show, so we do not know really how it will pass the standard of personal knowledge and authentic record, which is a requirement in the verification, no? Alam mo, parang hindi pa to nangyari before eh. I was asking my seniors kung nangyari na ba ito before. So sabi nila wala pa. But if ever there will be occasion like this na mapapabalik, no? Tingin ko lang I am inclined to believe dapat may consensus din ang Justice Committee pagdating sa consolidation, specifically aling offenses at aling grounds ang isasama sa articles of impeachment, no?
Ayaw
But that
pala.
is in case lang
In
na
case
marireverse.
Correct.
Oo.
correct.
Pero kung aaproban naman nila, kung aaproban naman ng plenary ang committee report, then that will finally put an end
It
to the
will,
impeachment process against the president.
Selyado na.
Magiging final na yung
Yes.
dismissal ng impeachment complaints.
Kaya nga po, tinanong si Presidente kanina, Congresswoman, no, yung reaction niya nga dun sa pagbasura dun sa impeachment complaint sa House Justice Committee, sabi niya natutuwa nga naman daw siya dahil ito ay parang distraction lamang at para mas makausad na nga daw ang gobyerno, ang administrasyon sa mga mahalagang trabaho, ay mabuti nga daw na binasura ito. Pero I guess hindi pa ho nga namin tapos yung proseso. Hindi pa na siya pwedeng matuwa ng lubusan dahil may plenaryo pa. At yung Justice Committee report, may possibility pa, whatever possibility there is, na ma-reverse pa ito. Ngayon, you're presenting the committee report on Monday to be voted on by the committee membership. And
It depends if they will include that in the order of business for Monday,
sa committee,
What I am certain, as a committee, yes.
Committee lang,
We
oo.
are intending to vote on the committee report on Monday. No?
Okay.
That's for the committee only.
may ano pa ho ba ito? Merong oral reading of the committee report para marinig nung lahat bago magbotohan?
Pwede. Just for the record, para mabasa natin at pumasok sa records sa transcript of records ng Justice Committee, the
Opo.
contents of the committee report that the members will be approving.
Parang sa ano to, yung sa korte. Babasahin muna nung clerk
Sakdal.
of court, no, di ba? On the matter of ganyan versus the chuchu.
Correct.
Tapos ang
The
haba-haba.
committee finds.
Pero yung dispositive portion lang inaabangan ng media. So may ganun po, pwedeng basahin yung report, no, Congresswoman?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it will be better kung basahin, so it will form part of the transcript of records of our committee hearing on Monday, no?
Opo, opo.
But our committee report should be very simple and very short, no?
Opo.
It should only contain the determination as to form and the determination as to substance of both the De Jesus complaint and the Masa et al. Impeachment complaint.
Alright. Sige.
Ayan. So, punta naman po tayo dun sa
Vice?
impeachment naman ng vice-presidente. Ano po? Babalik na naman tayo dun sa una. Parang wala naman po atang magiging diferensya dun sa
Yung mga
naunang
na-file
mga
last
ipinasa,
year.
no?
Oo.
Dinagdagan lang doon sa Madriaga
Testimony.
testimony, yes. Sa tingin niyo po ba, pwede ka po bang magsabi ng inyong personal on this? Or should we wait for the committee?
Parang hindi.
Hindi pwede.
Ba yan? Ang tagal pa.
God.
Kailan po ba ito maaaring mapag-usapan
Parang
ko?
hindi.
10 days. 10
Oo,
working days.
Tagal pa.
Yeah, 10 working days.
Ito na naman tayo sa session and calendar days.
Basta as soon as ma-refer sa Justice Committee, we will definitely start
Yeah.
the deliberation on the substance and the form.
Oo. Anong tawag dito? Kailan ho ba ang break ulit ng
Kakapasok pa nga lang.
Hindi, mabilis lang, may break kagad
Break
yan.
na naman.
Sa March ho ba o April?
Tony, parang overwhelmed ako ng trabaho. Nakalimutan kong i-check kung kailan yung recess namin eh.
Oo. Tama po yan. At least kayo
Hindi,
nga
kasi-
po, busy sa pagtatrabaho. Yung isa sumisweldo. di
May
ba?
Holy, ay grabe ka naman partner.
Sorry.
May Holy Week break syempre dahil
Oo.
Holy Week is April 5 ba?
That's
Yeah.
what I'm looking forward to, no? April 1 to 5, that's the Holy Week.
Yun ang break. Oo, yun ang break eh. Pero before that,
yeah.
magre-recess ho ba ang House before Holy Week?
I'm sorry, I'm really not so certain kung kailan yung recess namin, no?
Sige.
I-check ko para
Yeah.
next time ma-interview mo ko, I can answer that question.
Baka kasi po maabutan na naman kayo ng
Oo, ng recess sa pag-debate dito sa
oo.
VP.
Dahil that would mean may konting pahinga muna after the Holy Week muli,
Yes.
maaring mag-resume ng deliberation ng House Justice Committee.
And it happened last year.
Ay, oo nga.
Diba?
Naabutan.
Ganyan yun eh. Nabutan yun sa
Correct.
Kay VP din yun eh. Diba? It was
Yes,
the VP
yes.
impeachment.
Naabutan.
Oo.
Alam mo, partner,
Oo.
dahil alas 6:05 na, bigyan naman natin ng pagkakataon na makapag-renewal of vows na si...
Wag na! Kasama pa nga natin si Kong Jinky eh. Sa Sunday naman na yun eh.
kahit na ba?
Sagarin na natin.
Kailangan ilatag yung mga
Hindi.
lamesa, yung catering. Ano ka ba?
Handa ang mga...
yung mga tolda.
Magpa-practice pa ng first dance ulit.
O pati yun.
Oo
Sige.
nga.
But congratulations
Yes,
sa inyo pong dalawa po.
congratulations, Kong Jinky.
Sa inyo
Opo.
pong anniversary.
Thank you, Tony Enrica.
Thank
If
you
you
po,
have time, join us.
Opo.
Salamat po muli,
Opo.
Congresswoman.
Ingat po.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you po si Congresswoman Jinky Luis po ng Batangas 2nd District. Siya rin pong chair ng House Justice Committee. So ngayon, maliwanag mga kapamilya ang paglahad po ng mga steps para po dun sa pag-handle nung pong impeachment complaint
process.
para kay Vice Presidente, yung impeachment complaints at yung ano pa ang hinaharap na proseso para po do sa impeachment complaints naman na ibinasura na laban kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. So hindi pa ho tapos ang prosesong iyon dahil meron pang babalang kasing Justice Committee report. Ito po ay ipepresenta pa after pagbotohan ng Justice Committee members, ipepresenta sa plenaryo at doon natin naabangan kung ito po ba ay tatanggapin or ibabalik sa Justice Committee at siya pong magiging anong tawag dito, hudyat para buuin naman, balangkasin naman yung articles of impeachment na ipapasa sa Senado.